So in the last class, we are solving some problems on the trigonometry. Now the remaining problems. क्या तक हो गया last class में?
20 going on.
20. 19 is it over?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
19 or 20 going.
No, sir, 19.
19 में हो गया क्या 19?
Sir, please repeat it.
Okay. Let's look at the problem number 19. Let's observe the problem number 19, which is cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus and so on up to the cos square 360 degree. So this is the value we have to find it. So to find its a value, observe that here all these angles are the multiples of the 5 degree that is available up to the 360 degrees. So up to the 360 in between, we consider the quadrant angle which has the 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. So this is we will express as like this: cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus and so on. The first quadrant angle is 90 degree. So before the 90, we will have the term called 85 degree. Plus we will have cos square 90 degree. After that, we will have cos square 95 degree plus and so on. Then next quadrant angle is cos square 180 degree. Before that, we will have the angle called cos square 175 degree. Plus we have the cos square 180 degree plus we will have cos square 185 degree plus and so on. Next we will have the cos square 270. Before that we will have cos square 265 degree plus cos square 270 degree. Then we will have cos square 275 degree plus we will have cos square 355 degree. Then we will have cos square 360 degree. So like that, all these terms will write like this. Now, here if you observe this cos square 5, cos square 10 up to the cos square 85, all these are the acute angle. Means all these angles lies in the first quadrant. So that's why let assume that the sum of all these terms take it is equal to say k. The sum of all these terms take it as a k and consider the terms from here to here. Cos square 95 to the cos square 175, I will consider these terms. Again, if you consider that term, there is an 175 degree, that is we can write 180 degree minus 5 degree. 180 minus 5 we can write it. We know that cos of 180 minus 5 is minus cos 5, square is there. That's why that minus also become plus. That's why cos square 175 degree is also equivalent to cos square 5 degree. Means this is also equivalent to the cos square 5. Means again whatever the terms are there here, the same terms again are repeating here. All these terms again if you convert them, the same terms we are getting. Means this entire summation is also equivalent to k. Similarly, comes to from here to here. Here 185 is there, that is you can write 180 plus 5 degree. Cos square of 180 plus 5 is also equivalent to cos square 5 degree. Is the same term again is repeating here. Means all these values again the same, this summation only is going to repeat. Means this entire summation is equal to the k. Similarly, from here to here, if you consider this 355, again you can write 360 minus 5 degree. Cos of 360 minus 5, that is angle of the fourth coordinate, cos is positive. That is also equivalent to cos 5. That's why this is also equivalent to the cos square 5. Means the same terms again are repeating. That's why this entire summation is also becomes the k. Now you can observe that this is k, here also k, this also k, and here also k. Total there are the 4 k's are there. That's why the summation is equal to 4k plus in between we will have the quadrant angle cos square 90 degree plus cos
90.
square 180 degree plus cos square 270 degree plus cos square 360 degrees are there. These are the remaining quadrant angle. So this is equivalent to 4k times, we know the value of cos 90 which is 0, cos
0.
180 is minus
0.
1 whole square
Minus
is
1.
plus 1, cos 270 is 0, cos 360 is plus 1. Now here we have to find the value of the k. What is the value of the k? To find that, here k means we have taken that cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus and so on up to the cos square 85 degree. So this value already we have found previously. So to find this value, here observe that what is the first angle here? 5 degree. Last angle?
5.
Last angle?
85.
85.
5.
5 plus 85?
85.
90.
90.
90.
90.
So we know one result that if a plus b is equal to 90 degree, then cos square a plus cos square b is equal to 1. That's why
1.
1.
the
1.
first term and the last term, that is 1. That's why here first term and the last term I will form one pair. Cos square 85 degree I will form one pair plus. Similarly, second term is cos square 10 degree plus what is the last but one? Last but
80.
Cos square 80 degree.
cos square
Cos
80
square
degree.
80.
So here also this summation is 90 degree. Like that, we will form those terms as a pairwise. So if we form the pairwise, tell me in this series, total how many terms are there?
14.
17 terms.
17.
17.
Because
17 terms.
are 85. That's why 17 terms will be there. These 17 terms, how many pairs we can form?
8 pairs.
8 pairs.
8 pairs.
So like that, we can form the 8 pairs plus one extra term will be there.
1.
16 terms you can form as a pairwise. Remaining one term will be there. What is that extra term?
Cos square
Cos
45
square
degree.
45 degree.
45 degree.
Square 90.
Cos square 45, that is a middle term. Only one middle term will be there. So now we know the value of each pair is 1. Cos square a plus cos square b is 1. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, like that 8 pairs are there. Means you have to add this by the 8 times plus cos square 45 degree, which is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. 1 plus up to 8 times. How much it is?
8 plus 1 by 2.
8 plus 1 by 2, that is 8 and
17 upon 2.
17 by 2.
that means the value of the k is 8 and half. Substitute that here is 4 into 8 plus half plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So 8 4s are 32 plus 4 into 1 by 2, that is 2
2.
plus 2. How much it is? 30.
36.
36.
This is answer for it. Okay. So this is the procedure. But while solving the objective problems, just by the observation, because for preparing for any objective examination, the observation is very, very important. Because every problem we can't solve in the examination. So while solving, while practicing, only if we observe it, some of the answers directly we can remember it. So here remember that if the angle is up to the 360 degree, the angle is up to the 360 degree, sum of all those terms is equal to 36. Directly you can keep that. If the angle is up to the 180 degree, up to the 180 degree,
18.
so that angle is 18. Up to the 180 degrees there, the angle is 18. Okay. So blindly remember like this. So answer for such problems are number of terms upon 2. Half of the number of terms will be the answer. Okay. Observe the series. If the last angle is even multiple of the 90, if the last angle is an even multiple of the 90, then the answer is half of the number of the terms, or otherwise for all the terms also you can take like that. So in this series, total how many terms are there? In this series, total
30.
terms, right?
180 degree. 180.
So all are the multiples of the
Sure.
final. total 72 terms will be there. What is half of it?
36.
36.
36.
That is the answer. So the answer for this is half of the number of terms will be the answer. Directly you can give the answer. Take that.
Sir, will the answer be same if in the place of cos there is sin?
Yeah, same answer will be there.
Sir, if square is not there, then also
9. Square is not there. The different answers we will get it for the different angles. If the square is there, because we know the
sir,
result.
if power is 4,
Because we don't know the result if there is no square. We have the result only if a plus b is 90 degree, cos square a plus cos square b is 1, or sin square a plus sin square b is 1. We have the result only when there is a square. That's why square compulsory should be there.
sir, if power is 4,
9.
then we can write square of square. No?
All these problems will be available if the power is 2. Only for the squares only that type of the problems are available, not for the 4.
Mm.
Sir, if sum is up to 90 degree, then
Up to the 90 degree height, तो consider the term before that. Means up to the 85 degrees तक consider करो, 90 मत consider करो. If it is an odd multiple of the 90 है तो 90 don't consider the 90 degree. Consider before that term, that is 85 degree. Up to the 85 कितना term से पूरा? पूरा कितना term से?
17.
17.
17.
17. 8.5 is the answer. 8.5. 8 plus half again, 8.5. It is an odd multiple of the 98, so consider the term before that term.
yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Observe this problem number 20. So observe this problem number 20. X is equal to a cos square theta sin theta. Y is equal to a sin square theta cos theta. Then what is the value of x square plus y square whole cube upon x square y square? Means from those two equations we have to eliminate the theta. So to eliminate the theta, we can solve this problem in the two ways, because eliminate the theta means the answer is not going to depend upon the theta. Automatically the theta are going to eliminate. That's why we can take something for the theta other than the 0 or 90. Because if I take x equal to 0, so theta is 0, cos 0 is 0, means x is 0, y is 0. Means the problem is not going to define. So other than 0 or 90, we can take any angle for the theta, take it as a
45. 45.
then find the value of x and find the value of the y, then substitute that in the given problem, then you can get the answer. That is one way. Or otherwise, the procedure is that from these two, we have to eliminate the theta. To eliminate the theta, if the term is there in terms of the sin and cos, we have to use the identity called sin square theta plus cos square theta. For that, what we will do is square this both the equations on both the sides. Square them. Then x square is equal to a square cos power 4 theta sin square theta, and y square is equal to a square sin power 4 theta cos square theta. Now add them. Add these two. If you add this, x square plus y square is equal to, tell me what we can take common from these two. ये दोनों से क्या common कर सकते हैं?
A square cos square theta cos square
Cos square theta into sin square theta.
sin square
Then what is the remaining?
Cos square
Cos
theta
square theta
plus cos square
sin square theta
Sin-
will be there.
plus
Remaining.
sin square theta.
Cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Therefore, this value is
1.
a into cos square theta into sin square theta. This is the value of the a. Okay. Now multiply these two, x into y. Don't we multiply them? If you multiply them, a into a, which is a square, cos square theta into cos theta, that is cos cube theta, and sin theta into sin square theta, which is sin cube theta. Okay. So this is what we are getting if you multiply them. Now I want to eliminate the theta from this. For this, what we will do is, here cos square, sin square is there. So I will apply the square root on both the side, or otherwise, what you have to prove there, just observe that equation. Observe that x
There
square
is
plus y square whole cube upon x square into y square. That's why. So what we will do is, I will apply whole cube on both the sides. I will keep the power 3 on both the sides. Then we are getting the x square plus y square whole cube is equal to, which is, sorry, it is a square, no? A square whole cube is a power 6 cos power 6 theta sin power 6 theta. This is what we are getting. Similarly here, squaring it on both the sides. Then it is x square y square is equal to a power 6, a power 4 cos power 6 theta sin power 6 theta, we will get it. Okay. So here you can observe that for the sin and cos, we have the same power for both of them. Then we will divide them. Therefore, x square plus y square whole cube upon x square y square is equal to, which is a power 6 sin power 6 theta cos power 6 theta upon, which is a power 4 sin power 6 theta cos power 6 theta. So this is getting cancelled. Theta was eliminated. A power 6 upon a power 4, which is
A power 2.
that's the answer.
Done, sir.
Completed,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Done.
Next, look at the next problem.
Done.
Observe this problem number 20 first. So here it is given that A is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. B is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Then what is the value of the A in terms of the B? Because in all the options you can find in terms of the B. The first option is B plus 1 upon B minus 1. Second option is 1 plus B by 1 minus B. Third option is B minus 1 by B plus 1. Fourth option is 1 minus B by 1 plus B. So, to find this also, what we will do is, because in the options there is no theta at all. That's why it should be true for any angle of the theta. That's why here also don't take theta is 0 or 90 degree, because tan 90 is not defined, cot 0 is not defined. That's why other than 0 or 90, we will take any other angle, then we'll find the value of A and B. Then we will check from the options. बताओ कौन सा लेना?
45.
45.
45.
If the theta is equal to 45 degrees, then what is the value of the A? Secant 45. How much?
√2 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Root
And the
2
value of
minus 1.
Cosecant
Root 2
45.
plus 1.
√2 plus 1.
2 plus.
Then I want to find the value of the A in terms of the B. To find that, I will check the options. First option देखो, B plus 1 by B minus 1. B means √2 plus 1 plus 1. That is √2 plus 2 by √2 plus 1 minus 1 means that is we are getting the √2. Is it giving √2 minus 1?
No.
No.
Mm,
That's why it is not the answer. Second option. 1 plus b. 1 plus b means 1 plus root 2 plus 1. That is also 2 plus root 2.
root 2,
By
2 plus
1 minus b. 1 minus b बोले तो minus root 2.
Minus root 2.
Let's observe that. Is it giving root 2 minus 1?
Yes.
no,
No. Because from the numerator, I can take the root 2 common. Root 2 is getting cancelled. So if I take the root 2 common from the numerator, the remaining is root 2 plus 1 will be there by minus root 2, where root 2 is getting cancelled. Means we are getting minus of root 2 plus 1, but not root 2 minus 1. That's why it is not the option. Third option, b minus 1 by b plus 1. b minus 1, that is root 2 plus 1 minus 1, which is root 2 upon b plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 2 plus 2.
root 2 plus
From the denominator, what we can take common?
Root 2.
Root 2. Root 2.
Root 2 is
Root 2.
root 2,
what is the remaining? 1 by root 2 plus 1.
1 by root 2 plus
Now, we will rationalize this. Multiply and divided by root 2 minus 1. Multiply and divided by root 2 minus 1. Then the numerator will get the root 2 minus 1 upon
Correct.
denominator is 1.
1.
Therefore,
One.
that is root 2 minus 1
minus 1.
A. So this is the option. Third option is correct.
Done, sir.
Good answer.
Where?
Yes, sir.
Next, look at the next problem. Also, this 22nd problem. A is a secant theta. A secant theta plus b tan theta is equal to 1. A secant theta minus b tan theta is equal to 5. Then what is the value of a square times b square plus 4? So
9b square.
no, 9b.
9b square.
Good. Second option. Now, these are the two equations who are given. So from these two equations, we have to eliminate the theta. So to eliminate the theta, what we will do is, this is equation number say 1, and this is equation number say 2. Okay. So what we will do is, first we will add 1 and 2. If we add them, 1 plus 2. दोनों भी ऐड किया तो b tan theta कैंसिल होता है, b tan theta minus b tan theta
Yes.
a secant theta plus a secant theta, that is 2a secant theta
2 basic
is equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6. Okay, so 2 3's are get cancelled. A secant theta is equal to 3. Then what is the cos theta from this? A by
2.
because
A by
secant
1 by 3.
secant theta I can write 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta. So do the cross multiplication, bring the 3 this side, and cos theta equal to a by 3. So this is one value we got. Then subtract these two, 1 minus 2. दोनों भी separate करो. Separate किया तो a का a secant theta cancel होता है. A secant theta gets cancelled. Then b tan theta, this minus become plus b tan theta, that become 2b tan theta
2b tan
is equal to 1 minus 5, that is minus 4. This is what we are getting. 2 ones are 2 2's gets cancelled. Now it is b into tan theta means I can write sin theta by cos theta. Then this cos theta other side. Tan theta I can write sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Then this cos theta other side. Then sin theta is equal to minus 2 by b into cos theta, where cos theta is a by 3. Substitute the cos theta also, then we got the value of sin theta. Now we know the identity that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. This is identity we know in terms of sine and cos. So cos square theta, which is a square by 9, plus sine square theta, which is square this. We are getting that 4a square by 9b square is equal to 1. Okay. What we can take common from these two?
1 by 9.
Square by 9. A square by 9 common निकाल सकते हो?
Square by 9.
1 plus 4 by b square will be there. Is equal to 1.
1 plus 4 by 3 square.
B square is an LCM. So in the numerator get that b square plus 4. Therefore, a square into b square plus 4 upon 9b square will be there. Then this 9b square other side, that is equal to 9b square. That is answer.
Done, sir.
Let's look at the next problem. Up to this problem number 23. Tan A equal to small a tan B. Sin A is equal to small b sin B. Then what is the value of b square minus 1 upon a square minus 1? So this 23 cos square A go. So tan A is equal to small a tan B and sin A is equal to small b sin B. Then we have to find b square minus 1 upon a square minus 1. Then the first option is sin square A. Second option is sin cube A. Third option is cos square A. Fourth option is cos cube A. So we have to solve this problem. Okay, in this problem also directly if you solve this, it may take some time. That's why it is better to check from the options by taking some angle. But for taking that angle, no two options get coincide. That's why don't take A or B as a 90 degree also, because tan 90 is not defined. And don't take the 0 also, because sin 0 is 0 means B 0 hai to kuch bhi nahi. That's why don't take the 0, 90, and don't take the 45 also, because sin square 45, cos square 45 same. Sin cube 45, cos cube 45 is also same. That's why don't take the 45 degree also. Then I will take let A is equal to 30 degree, B is equal to 60 degree. I will take it. I take that A 30, B 60. ये पसंद आए तो A 60, B 30. So then take any known angle as you know.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Sir, voice is
Yes,
breaking.
sir.
Yeah.
Voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Network का problem होगा. Just a minute.
Now clear.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll take that A 30, B 60. Then substitute there. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 degrees.
1
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
So,
A into what is the value of tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root
Therefore, what is the value of the A? A is 1 by
1.
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
Substitute this A value, B value here. Sin 30
1 by
1 by
root
2.
2.
by 2.
1 by 2.
B into cos 30,
2.
cos 60,
Root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2.
Root 3.
Then what is the value of the B?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. So substitute these values in this. A value, B value substitute karo. B square, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 upon
1
A
by 3.
square, that is 1 by
1
9.
by 9 minus 1.
1 by 9.
So 1 by 3 minus 1,
minus 2 by 3,
minus 2 by
minus
3.
2 by 3,
1 by 9 minus 1.
minus 8 by 3, 1
Minus
by
8 by
4,
9,
total 1 by 4.
minus 9 by 8. That is, because ऊपर आ गया तो minus 9 by 8. How much it is? Minus 1 is plus 3 3's gets cancelled, 2 4's gets cancelled, which is 3 by 4. So we have to get the 3 by 4. Then which option is giving 3 by 4? Check it. First option देखो. Sin square A. Where A I had taken the 30 degree. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin square
1 by
30
2,
1 by 4. So this is not the answer. Then B option, sin cube A, that is giving 1 by 8. So this is also not the answer. Third option is cos square A. Here A had taken the 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2.
Cos
Root 3 by-
is 3 by 4. That is satisfying, na? That is the answer. So like that we can check from the options.
Sir, screen is blur.
The screen is blur.
Is it clear now?
Blur.
No, sir, it is blur.
Just a minute. अभी
Blur.
Blur, sir.
blurry लग रहा. Just a minute. नेटवर्क आ रहा जा रहा है. सबको ब्लर लग रहा है क्या?
No, sir,
Yes,
clear.
Clear है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, अभी clear है sir.
Clear, sir, now.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Now blur, sir.
Sir, it's too much blur.
Blur, sir.
Blur.
Sir, it's clear.
Sir, clear, sir.
Now it is clear.
Now it is blur.
तो वो रेंज का
Sir,
प्रॉब्लम
network आ जा रहा है.
हाँ वही
ये ना जैसे आपको प्रॉब्लम है
पीला
नेटवर्क
लाल
का
का
शायद.
पूरा
Sir, clear है sir all.
Okay.
Clear.
Next, look at the next problem. So observe this problem number 24. X is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Observe this 24. X is equal to tan theta plus cot theta and y is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, good. Second option is correct. So here also we have to eliminate the theta. So to eliminate the theta, this is problem also you can solve like a previous problem by taking some angle for the theta. We can check it. Directly also we can do it. In that, here x is equal to tan theta means you can write sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. We can write it. Now what is the LCM here?